Good AM. Today is March 19, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, March 19, 2024. Here are the STL Swear 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 19, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 19, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.